I just found out a add-on that's really cool. So if you search for extra objects, you apply this one, then when you press Shift A and add a curve, you get all these things down here. And I've been playing around with something called knots, and you can do some pretty cool things with this. You see, now it just looks like this, and you can change basically anything. Like you can create different shapes like this. It's crazy. And also this, I don't know what this is supposed to be. And then you can change everything in here, just doing all sort of crazy shapes and scale and height. I don't know what these do. I don't know. It's just cool. I just found it out and it's crazy. I don't know. So you can create an ellipse here too, and then you can scale it like this. You can, I don't know. Yeah, so you can do whatever, and you can also move these around. And I thought I would share this with you guys because this is just crazy. I hope this helps you a little bit at least. I will definitely play around with the knots, try to make like cool knots, like for a shoe or something. If you just right click in object mode, you have all these sort of things here. Hope you learned something from this. You may learn something from this at least. Have a nice day.